Hi, and welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work-from-home job lead for you. We'll keep today's video as quick as possible. The links, if you're interested in applying, are always in the YouTube description box below this video, and this one is for my United States folks only. Achieve Network is hiring an assessment operations assistant. Now, it does say the location is flexible within the United States. I do not see where they have any state restrictions, and they are looking to hire somebody immediately. But they are looking for an assistant to assist with the assessment operations team with the development, design, and production of standard-based math and English language arts assessments to be administered online and on paper. So you'll help aid in the creation and revision of assessments by selecting items in the tool, completing the online layout, and adhering to their style guide. You'll support in completing quality assurance of their online assessment delivery system and make sure it is integrated with the assessment tool. You'll be tasked with proofreading the quiz questions and inputting the items and passages into the online quiz tool. You'll implement improvements to the online items, assessments, and analysis guide based on the editor and the team input. You'll also help to ensure all students have a great experience with their assessments by supporting accommodations, including reviewing the text-to-speech in their online platform, making sure it's working correctly and it is all good to go. They are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just somebody who is proficient in Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Adobe Acrobat PDF. Someone who can have great attention to detail, great organizational skills, someone who has strong editing skills and understanding of grammar rules, someone who is comfortable learning and using new software applications and online platforms. Of course, you have to have strong communication skills and the ability to work independently. But if that is you, they are paying anywhere from $17 an hour all the way up to $25 an hour. And of course, they offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I hope you all have a fabulous, fabulous weekend. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.